Shalom, Jai Bhim. Shalom is spiritual greeting of Dalit race. Jai Bhim is social greeting of Dalit race. Shalom, Jai Bhim. Welcome to Dalit Knowledge. This is Professor Dr. Lela Karunyakara, Dalit historian and an Ambedkarite thinker. Today's lecture is about the term Dalit. Is it a noun or an adjective? Dalit is originally a Hebrew word. It is a Semitic linguistic family word. It is Israeli, Hebrew, Jewish word. It is widely used as a name word by Jews even today. In Hebrew, the term Dalit is used as a noun and also an adjective. It is used a name word by Jews. Many Jews even today use the term Dalit as their first name. Even in India, there was a Tamil Dalit whose name is Dalit Elumalai. Dalit Elumalai. He was a Tamil Dalit who served as union minister. So he used the word Dalit as his first name, Dalit Elumalai. Like that, many, not only Dalits in India, in Jews in Israel also, they use the word Dalit as their first name. As an adjective, Dalit means gentle. Adjective refers to quality. When we say Dalit man, so here Dalit is adjective. As an adjective, when we say Dalit man, it means gentleman. Gentle. Dalit woman means gentle woman. Dalit leader means gentle leader. Dalit party means the gentle party. So as an adjective, Dalit means gentle in Hebrew language. Therefore, we can understand that the term Dalit in Hebrew is used both as a noun as well as an adjective. So Hebrew being the original language of Dalit word. Dalit originally belongs to Hebrew language. Dalit is originally an Israeli word. It's a Semitic word. It's a Hebrew word. It's an Israeli word. It's a Jewish word. Later on, it has been traveled to many languages. So originally, Dalit is a Hebrew word. As a noun, it is used as a name word. It's a proper noun. And as an adjective, it refers to a quality. So when I say that I am Dalit Karunyakara, means I am a gentle Karunyakara. If I say that I am a Dalit, so as an adjective, if I apply Dalit word, it means I'm talking about my quality. I'm a gentle. When I say someone is a Dalit leader, if I use their Dalit as an adjective, it means I'm referring to the quality of that leader, gentle leader. When I say Dalit race, if I am using the Dalit here as an adjective, then Dalit race means it's a gentle race. Therefore, the term Dalit is used both as a noun as well as adjective. For more information, you may refer to my book, History of Dalit Identity. It is available on Amazon. Thank you very much. Jai Bhim, Jai Bharat.